This 2007 American Coach American Tradition 40Z is a Class A RV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bath. This 2007 American Coach American Tradition 40Z is built on a Liberty chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.